In today's video, we will be creating a simple wind shader that you can apply to trees and foliage so that they swing back and forth. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're doing well and having a great day. In this example, I have downloaded a tree model from free3d.com. The model was made by TechSaku, thank you for the nice tree model. The link to the model can be found in the description. Let's open the generated template. Sometimes it can happen that the model is not visible in the generated template. Simply click on the small lock icon for the scale to set the scale transform to unified. This should fix it for static meshes. Next, there seems to be another issue with the leaves texture, so let's fix it. Go to the material settings of the branches material and play around with the alpha threshold value until it looks nice. Next, since the branches are just made out of planes and not a volumetric geometry, we want to uncheck backface culling so they are visible from both sides. Now the tree looks about right, so let's go back to the scene. Now drag the tree template into the scene. Let's scale it down so we can add more trees. Now let's add more trees quickly. Select the tree and press Alt and G to add a copy of the tree at the mouse location. This feature is pretty handy. Okay, great. Now we can add a new shader program. Let's rename it to Wind Shader. In this video, we will be replacing the default vertex shader code with the one I have written. You can find the code in the description. Next, we will add the shader program to the branches material. As you can see, the trees are already swinging. Now, when we click on Sync Uniforms, we will see all the uniforms we can adjust to change the behavior of the shader. Let's do the same for the tree material. Now let's have a close look at the uniform settings. Model height determines until what height the shader will have influence. Timer speed changes how fast the trees will swing. Wind frequency changes how many waves will be generated. Wind strength determines how strong the waves are. And finally, wind direction changes the direction of the wind. And that's it. Now we have a basic wind shader applied to our trees. This is just a simple example of how a wind shader could look like. Feel free to extend the code to your likings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.
Feels so good.